Hello everybody, welcome back to Grange Primary. It's the new academic year 2019-20 and today at Head Teacher Assembly we focused on some very specific things. This is the Key Stage 1 Assembly, so our brand new year 1s and our brand new year 2s came into the hall dressed beautifully in their uniform and walking so beautifully and following instructions and sitting so lovely and proudly, and we spoke in assembly about something very important. We said, and the children who were in assembly will remember this, we said, we have hands and we have choices. We need to use our hands to do kind things, kind hands. We spoke about our amazing listening, our ears that allow us to listen, and we said we need to make good choices about kind listening. Listening that is kind to yourself and kind to others. Listen to instructions properly so that you really know what to do and to do the right thing. And we spoke about kind words. Using words that make other people feel better and using words that make us all feel good. And then we said what we really want for every Grange child: be confident, care about yourself, and be considerate. Care about everybody else. And we said that's the Grange CC way: confident, considerate. In order to do that, kind hands, kind ears, kind mouth, kind actions, kind and good listening, and good words. And then we had a brilliant song which we got on YouTube, and I have to give credit to my wife, who's also a teacher, for finding this wonderful song. And we played the song in assembly and we just went along with our Grange CC actions. So maybe you can enjoy the song and go along with the actions.
Be kind to everyone. Be kind to everyone. Be kind to everyone. In a world where you can be anything, be kind. You know it's the right thing to do. Be kind. Say something nice to the people you meet. Be kind. Wave your hands in the air, show you care. Be kind. Be kind to everyone. Be kind to everyone. Be kind to everyone. Be kind to everyone. In a world where you can be anything, be kind. Do a good deed for a friend. Be kind. Use your manners all the time. Be kind. Wave your hands in the air, show you care. Be kind. Be kind to everyone. 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 Be kind. 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 Be kind.